reversal.
What's the plan?
Well, it seems clear to me that this myth has to end with us testing it full scale. We need full-size manhole covers over a real sewer.
I agree, but you know what? Before we lock in on a full-size plan, let's do a small-scale one first and see if we can learn anything.
Sounds like a good idea.
This ought to do it.
So to find out if a methane kaboom can make manholes fly, the Mythbusters get their minds into the sewer.
This is a Schedule 80 steel pipe, and I'm about to make it into a miniature sewer with a viewing port all along one side, which is hopefully going to be explosion-proof.
This cumbersome pipe should perfectly replicate a sewer in miniature, but with great weight comes great responsibility.
You see us build a lot of stuff on this show, and a lot of times it's kind of like jazz. We are really just figuring it out as we go along. Oh, it's beautiful. But when you're building something this heavy and substantial, you can't quite do it that way. You actually have to plan 2 or 3 steps ahead.